Welcome. We're in Summit View, the community in Orange. This home is spectacular. First views, large yard. Come take a look inside with me. This home has 3 levels and it is stunning. The neighborhood is perfect. Welcome. Hey neighbor. And I'm at the top here overlooking the master suite. This is the workspace area, so you can enjoy the views, work from home. It's got everything. You're right near your master suite with a full entire dressing room, fireplace, balcony, everything. Happy day, neighbor. Well, here is what is up, kids. I have a seminar tomorrow, but I'm getting ready for my open house tonight because it's good to be prepared.